Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Princess Mug. Today's video is all about travel tips, how to pack your suitcase and necessary items you should have in your carry-on. Before we get started, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel Princess Mug so you can keep up with everything related to fashion, style, beauty, travel, and healthy lifestyle. How do I pack my suitcase? I'd like to start by saying that I put all my cosmetics in only one makeup bag. This step facilitates everything. It saves time, not searching for products here and there. So, for example, I put my lipsticks, blush, mascaras, eyeliners, brushes, concealers, powder, and bronzer in only one bag. In this way, I can find all beauty products very easily, apply my makeup every time I go out. Keeping my makeup products together is so important. Of course, you can choose the size of the bag according to your own preferences and how much time would you spend abroad. Here we go, I've just finished putting my products in just one bag, and guys, this is awesome. Here's another cute bag which fits for my personal products. I'd love, of course, to take my personal products with me. And this bag has two sides. On one side, I'd love to take my toothpaste and toothbrush because these products are crucial for me. And I'd love this bag. I really love it. On the other side, I'd love to take anything related to hair, such as a comb, a brush, whether a small brush or a big brush, you name it. And here we go. I have two bags, one for cosmetic products, the other for personal products. Then I'll place both of them in my suitcase this way. Awesome. Speaking of socks, who doesn't love to take socks? Instead of throwing them everywhere in your suitcase, you can use your sneakers to place 3 pairs of socks. So for example, this sneaker fits for 3 pairs of socks. So you can roll your socks and pack them in shoes. As you can see, this is the 3rd pair of socks. Awesome. In this way, you save space. You take 3 pairs of socks, their place. Then you can use a shower cap, wrap your shoes in a shower cap, and here you go. Also, what about this toiletry bag here where I put everything related to liquids, shampoo, perfumes, conditioner, you name it. So you can put like your shampoo, your perfume this way, or you can use some small bottles, some refilled small bottles, and you can put your perfume. Then I'll place my toiletry bag at the center of my suitcase. And here's the other way. I have a refilled small bottle. I can refill it with perfume, conditioner, shampoo, you name it. You can take many bottles as you want it. Again, it depends on your preferences and it depends on how much time would you spend abroad. As you can see, here's the first bottle which I refilled with some perfume, and here's the second one. And you can put many of these cute, bottles again and again. Then I'll place this bag again at the center of my suitcase. And this way you can separate, and that's what I do, to separate between my pajamas and the clothes I wear when I go out. Here are my pajamas in the right. If you fold your pajamas, this way, from my perspective, this takes too much space, which you can use for other necessary items like clothes, which you can buy when you go shopping, right? So what should you do? You have to roll your clothes this way. You can take, up to 2 pajamas, and it depends on how much would you spend again abroad. As you can see, this saves space for some new clothes, bags, shoes, souvenirs, and gifts. For me, this is crucial. You see? And what about in the left? Again, folding your clothes this way will take too much space, which can be used for other essential items. So this way is not advisable. No, no, no. What should you do? The same exact thing. You should roll your clothes, including your jackets, your jeans, shirts. Here I have a polo shirt. I roll it this way, and I can pack other stuff as well. And here is, the right way to do it. Now, make a comparison between the wrong way of folding and the right way of folding. You have to roll your clothes. Awesome. Also, I'm a big fan of taking a small bag with me every time I just go here and there. It's very easy. Here you see how much space we have for new clothes. A hair straightener is also important. Keep it in its pouch and then in the zipper compartment. An adapter or an outlet power strip and a charger. Now, things you should never take: expensive jewelry and watches. And what about jeans? Jeans are too heavy. Taking 3 pairs of jeans, this is just too much. So this is the second pair of jeans. This is the third pair of jeans. This is too much. Don't take a lot of jeans with you guys. Also, don't take many shoes. You only have to take flip-flops and maybe sneakers, but not more than that. What about jackets? Jackets are also heavy, and it's advisable to take only 1 jacket. There is no need to take 2 jackets. There's no point in taking a lot of clothes, especially when you are on a short vacation. Now, what's in my carry-on? I'd love to have a medium-sized carry-on instead of a small one so I can put some stuff in it. It's very important to take alcohol wipes and bandages. What if you hurt yourself? In order to avoid any harmful circumstances, you have to take alcohol wipes and bandages. It's advisable, guys, to take these necessary items in your carry-on. Also, it's important to take some medication, tablet pills. What if you have headache? What about liquids? Each liquid must be in 3.4 ounces or smaller containers. This includes gel, cream, nail polish, toothpaste, cleanser, and face wash. It's not advisable to take any larger containers. Your containers must not exceed 100 ml. We all need tissues. It's necessary to take some tissues with you. For entertainment, especially for long journeys, I love taking a book with me so I can entertain myself, read some useful information. You can choose the book that you like. I really love taking books with me to entertain myself during long trips. You should have some snacks, such as gum. What if they say your flight has been delayed? At that time, I love chewing gum. A pen is always important to me because I don't want to borrow some pens from people. A pen is important to fill customs forms. It's so crucial to have a pen in your carry-on. I love taking hair ties with me because sometimes I adore doing a ponytail. Sunglasses are always important to me to protect my eyes from sun rays. Eye sleeping mask, it's very important because sometimes they don't provide this mask on a plane. Of course, a mask trying to protect myself from COVID-19. Then a reusable water bottle trying to keep myself hydrated. A wallet, my passport, and of course my phone. Also my earphones. These are the most necessary items you should take in your carry-on. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel to keep yourself updated with everything related to fashion, style, and beauty. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram where I post daily outfits. Thank you guys for watching.